Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the price line of Bitcoin is once again reached the resistance of this ascending triangle, and in today's video we will discuss whether the price line will be able to break it out or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link of a complete report for the month of March, how many trades I have shared. Like for example, the total number of trades so far I have shared 66. 42 are successful, 16 are still open and available, and 8 trades are unsuccessful. And if you want to check any successful trades, because these trades I have unlocked, and then you can just open the link, and I have shared the screenshots here how the price line moved in the potential reversal zone or in the buying zone and moved up. And you can also click here and go to the trading view, and if you have account there, then you can click the play button, and then you can watch the performance of the coin or this asset. Now let's move to the chart. First of all, I would like to recall my previous pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when the price line of Bitcoin completed this final leg of harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And I told them that this is the potential reversal zone. From here we can expect a reversal move, and our sell targets can be $46,339 and goes to $57,167. Now, and by the way, our buying zone was from approximately $36,000 and go to $28,800. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed, and now it is moving towards this sell zone, and I'm expecting soon it can hit this sell zone. But at the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, the price line has also broken out this resistance of the down channel as well, and after this breakout it is stuck in this ascending triangle, and you can see that again and again it is getting rejected by this resistance that is at $45,000. And right now the price line is again at this resistance. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we have one rejection. Now the price line is again moving up. Maybe it will make another attempt to break out this resistance. For example, if Bitcoin will break out this resistance of this ascending triangle, then we can expect a move here approximately at $60,000. However, the target for this down channel will be here at the top of the channel at approximately $68,000. And at the same time, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then we still have this very big hidden bullish divergence as the price line is forming higher lows. And if you watch here, this stochastic oscillator, it is forming lower than previous low. Therefore, there is also a very big hidden bullish divergence as well, and you can see that the stochastic is also bullish, and the price line is bounced very well from the support of this very big up channel. And if it will reach the resistance of the channel here, that will be approximately at $70,500. So next few hours are really very important for Bitcoin, because we are again at this resistance of this ascending triangle. We need to keep an eye on this move, and if it will be broken out, then we can expect a very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.